Here going probably as slow as it can go. A manifest. Sorry, it's gonna be a little shaky. I'm telling you, as slow as it can go. I'm gonna shift when he's closer. Alright, I'm standing on top of a bench just to get a good view of it. He's going in slow. Oh, he's probably stopping. Yay. Now I get to stay until he leaves. Ha! So he's on track 0. Going -2 miles an hour. Stopped. I think 7086 is finally leaving. So at Fullerton, the hour of noon is dead hour, but apparently at San Bernardino it's packed hour. That's good to know. His bell is on. I'll shift to when he leaves. 7778 again. So it's a manifest waiting for a manifest, apparently. They get closer because this view sucks. So I'm gonna have to leave. I'll be back here for my birthday. Hopefully sooner than that, though. That was an epic fail. Would have been here longer if my parents and sibling weren't so annoying at the fact that we got breakfast less than an hour ago and they're already hungry for food. I could be here all day without eating. Most of the time I do. Last full day of Fullerton without eating, guys. Like, seriously, I do not eat when I railfan. It's weird. I drink, of course, like water and soda for energy. But I don't really eat much. It's weird. Like at most I probably eat a hot dog, maybe a few fries. But I am definitely coming back here, and I really hope it's before my birthday. I want to spend a full day here before my birthday. And hey, there's a Union Pacific one. I haven't seen one like that before. So, the weirdest thing, at Fullerton, noon is dead hour, but here, it's the busiest hour I've ever seen. Jeez. Alright, here off goes this freight train. I don't know if I'm going to be able to end this in the hour of noon. There's too much going on. I should really be over there when I'm so triggered on the inside. For DC. It's picking up fast. I have no idea if this is going to be the end of the video. There's going to be another train coming right around the corner for all I know. This place is packed in the hour of noon. So this must be why there's no trains in Fullerton during the hour of noon, because everything is piled up waiting out here. And for my birthday, and probably if I come before then, I am never going to be behind this fence. Just know that. I am never going to be behind it. Make sure all my views of these trains are nice and not fence blocked. What? That's the shortest manifest I've ever seen. Yeah, see the DPU. There's no need for a DPU. This thing is short. That explains why it started up so fast, though. Seriously, the one time it can't be a 3. That could have been the Golden Sluice. They had a 3 all around me. Okay. Now I don't think there's anything for a bit. So, alright, this is the end. Hope you enjoyed. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to BN77777. This video, honestly, I thought was going to be longer. Goodbye!